Hello friends, today's our topic is line spectra of the hydrogen atom, right? So line spectra of the hydrogen atom. So here this particular topic starting from electron transition, right? If electron transition from higher energy to lower energy, for example, if we have this higher energy EI and lower energy EF, right? So electron just give some energy by radiation is, for example, that energy EI minus EF. So EI minus EF is equal to H nu IF. So this much of energy is produced by that electron. So this kind of energy, it is in the form of radiations, right? So EI minus EF is equal to H nu IF. But here energy, what is exactly energy formula? So this is the total energy of electron, and that formula we have E is equal to m e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h square n square, right? But for this particular EI and EF, we have EI minus EF is equal to H nu IF is equal to, now m e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h square common, we are only left with 1 upon ni square minus 1 upon nf square. So that's our formula now. Now if I subject vi nu if, nu if is equal to m e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h cube into 1 upon ni square minus 1 upon nf square, right? Now from this formula, if we have r is equal to m e raised to 4 8 epsilon 0 square h cube into c. So how this formula comes from? So this formula comes from here. What is our r exactly? It is equal to nu if upon c. So nu if, we put that formula from here, right? So nu if, this formula, so by here by mistake I am writing that, right? So r is this fixed formula, okay? R is constant, so these all are constant. So r into c, we can write r into c is equal to this constant m e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 h cube, right? So that's our r into c. But now if I want to just write this in the form of r, so I have to write r into c both. So nu if is equal to r into c 1 upon ni square minus 1 upon nf square, and now we have that constant formula 1.013 into 10 raised to 7 meter inverse. So that's our r formula, right? So r is our natural formula, okay? So that's our r is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to 7 meter inverse, okay? Now after all these theoretical terms, we are starting from this energy level minus 13.6, right? So minus 13.6 is our ground energy, ground state, which is n is equal to 1 here, which is minus 3.40, this is n is equal to 2, right? So then here again, here 1.51, that is our n is equal to 3, then minus 0.85, that is n is equal to 4, and then up to n is equal to infinite. So earlier we discussed about different type of series. First of all, Lyman. So exactly Lyman series formula 1 upon lambda is equal to r, here 1 upon Lyman. Lyman starts from 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon n square, where n is equal to, it starts from after 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? So see, if we just derive Lyman series here in the form of energy levels, so it starts from infinite to 1, right? To 1, okay? Then here we are putting different values. So 1 to 2, right? So I have to write that 1 to 2, so 2 to 1 exactly. Then 3 3 to 1, then 4, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, then infinite to 1. So here the last one that I have to rub it, because here we get that. Okay, so up to infinite. Similar, if I are talking about Balmer, 1 upon lambda is equal to r 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon n square, right? N is equal to 3, 4, 5. So see 2 here, so it starts from 3. If I put 3 here, so 3 to 2, then 4 to 2, then 5 to 2, then so on. Similarly, if we are talking about Paschen, right? So Paschen 4 to 3, then so this is Lyman, this is Balmer, this is Paschen, and so on, bracket and fund, right? So this is how we can form different series in this energy levels. Okay, so these are the line spectra of the hydrogen atom. That's it for today now. Thank you very much.